Dogs are cool. Dogs are wacky. They're loyal, goofy, clever, sometimes messy, and always fascinating. But here's a fun question. Which dog breed is famous for never barking? I'll reveal the answer at the end of the video, so stick around and see if your guess is right. Now let's explore 10 of the coolest and most surprising facts about man's best friend. Dogs don't just smell food or danger, they can actually smell time. Every moment of the day, the environment around us is shifting in tiny ways. Scents rise, fade, and change as the air warms in the afternoon or cools at night. A dog's nose is so powerful, tens of thousands of times more sensitive than ours, that they can pick up on these changes like a living clock. For example, if you leave for work in the morning, your scent lingers in the house. As the hours pass, that scent slowly fades. A dog can detect the exact strength of that fading smell and use it as a signal for when you'll walk back through the door. So when your dog waits by the window or is already wagging its tail right before you arrive, it's not magic. It's their incredible sense of smell telling them it's about that time. Most dogs bark, howl, or yip, but not the Basenji. This ancient African breed is often called the barkless dog. Instead of barking, it makes a strange yodel-like sound, known as a baru. The reason comes down to their larynx, or voice box. Unlike other breeds, the Basenji's larynx is shaped a little differently, so it can't produce the standard bark we expect from dogs. For thousands of years, Basenjis were prized hunting companions in Central Africa, where their silence was actually an advantage. A dog that didn't bark couldn't scare away prey, and their unusual call helped hunters locate them without giving them away. It's one of the quirkiest traits in the dog world, and just another reminder that not every dog sound is a bark. Here's something you probably never thought about. Your dog's nose is one of a kind. Just like human fingerprints, every dog's nose has unique ridges and patterns. No two are the same. Some kennel clubs have even experimented with using nose prints as a reliable form of identification. So your dog's nose isn't just cute, it's a built-in ID card that's as individual as they are. Dogs don't just understand tone, they can actually recognize words. The smartest dogs can learn over 200 of them, almost like a toddler's vocabulary. Border Collies, German Shepherds, and Poodles are some of the top learners. One famous Border Collie named Chaser learned over 1,000 words, including the names of her toys. She could fetch the right one on command and even combine commands like take ball to box. So when you're talking to your dog, don't be surprised. They may understand more than you think. Dogs are more in tune with us than we realize. They can read our faces and body language, and they react to the tone of our voices like young children do. Researchers even found that a dog's heart rate changes when their owner is upset. That means when you're stressed or sad, your dog doesn't just notice, they feel it too. It's one of the reasons dogs make such amazing companions. They don't just live with us, they connect with us emotionally. Ever wonder why your dog's nose is always wet? That moisture actually makes their sense of smell sharper. A thin layer of mucus on the nose traps scent particles, giving dogs an even clearer read on their environment. When they lick their nose, they're not just being silly. They're resetting their super sensitive sensor. That little nose lick is what keeps them sniffing at their best. Dogs don't just smell better, they hear better too. They can detect sounds up to 4 times farther away than humans and at much higher frequencies. That's why your dog perks up at a delivery truck long before you hear it, or why a faint whistle makes them come running. To them, the world is full of sounds we'll never notice. A wagging tail doesn't always mean a happy dog. Researchers found that when a tail wags more to the right, it usually means excitement or happiness. But when it leans left, it can signal stress or nervousness. So a wagging tail is more like a language than a simple mood sign. Learning to read it helps us better understand what our dogs are really feeling. Dogs hold a special place in history. They were the very first animals ever domesticated by humans, thousands of years before cats, cows, or horses. archaeologists have found evidence of humans and dogs living together as far back as 14,000 years ago. Ancient cave paintings show hunters with dogs by their side. That makes dogs not only our best friends, but also our oldest. So now you know. Dogs aren't just loyal companions, they're packed with quirks, talents, and secrets that make them truly one of a kind. And the answer to today's question, the Basenji. Known as the barkless dog, it doesn't bark at all, it yodels. Did you guess it right? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these fun dog facts, hit that like button, subscribe for more animal adventures, and share this video with your fellow dog lovers only here on Animal Wonders.